Balancing life. What does that mean, right? Balancing life, you have so many things to juggle into your life. And sometimes you might not have enough personal time or creating or working, right? With me, I work a lot. And it's very overwhelming. I work as a customer service / associates, and I work to assist customers, help them with products, hair products, or hair extensions, and which can be very difficult. I work at a beauty supply store. It's very frustrating because it seems like you're the only person that knows a lot, and a lot of people don't want to or have the need to think of how you feel. It's just about their needs over yours. Yes, I understand that working in customer service, you have to be uh, attentive to the customer's needs and wants. That's understandable. I feel so overwhelmed, like sometimes I feel like I'm going to pass out. I feel like that I can't no longer stand. My heart, it hurts. Breathing is very uncontrollable. And I just wonder every day what is going to change, how I'm going to get out. And then with the work situation, I come home into this room that is quiet and trying to find something at peace, which I started with my YouTube channel back in 2021 of October. And it became very exciting for me, and it was very hopeful. It was very intriguing, and having people to share your content and express their thoughts and ideas to you, and telling that your makeup or whatever you're doing is looking great. But things start to slow down, getting frustrated, feel like your work is not being uncredited, and it makes you upset. And it does with me. It does. I'm not going to sit up here lie. I'm not going to sit up here pretend. It's not easy to create a YouTube channel or shorts and videos. Creativity is my specialty. It's my specialty because I love to create something that no one did think of, or something that really intrigues me. That's the type of person I am. And creating this YouTube, it was helping me get through depression, um, feeling like, I just felt like I wasn't given a chance in life, more opportunities. And sometimes I feel like I was cursed because I was feeling too overwhelmed with my job and trying to have a personal life, but I don't have a personal life. So YouTube became my best friend. But now YouTube, I feel like it's not my best friend. I'm not getting the engagement, and I'm not understanding why, because I put so much hard work into videos. I spend hours creating something and it doesn't work out, and I feel like I don't know what to do anymore on this channel. And I don't have a support team at all. I go on social media, I post my thumbnails. It is crazy. People don't share or support. And a lot of people turned on me for me when I started YouTube. And I guess people wanted me to fail. because, I started my YouTube channel. It was growing slow, and then I started meeting people who wanted to help me, build me up. I was working with black owned entrepreneurs, and they turned on me. I was just not having the best of luck. And getting down to the personal life, I tried to make friends, try to go out, to meet, and it doesn't work out. I don't know what it is with me. I don't know why. I'm just laid back. I am a cool person, and a lot of people want me to be out of character, and I'm not going to be out of character, meaning being someone else that I'm not. The only person I know how to be is myself. And a lot of people just didn't know how to take that. So they feel like I'm not, I guess, in other words, that I'm not going to be under the peer pressure of them trying to make me do something that I don't want to do. And relationships, it just didn't work out as well. Um, a lot of men don't know how to talk to me. They don't know how. Maybe they feel like I'm too assertive or something. I don't know, but it just hurts me because I'm like, I'm human too. And just because I'm not going to allow something to happen and you're going to get upset, that's not the type of person I am. I am a nice person, but I am not that nice. I have standards, and I am a young lady, a young woman. And personal life is not at its best, but I do have my self-care. I'm working on that self-care and self-love. Um, YouTube has opened the door up for me with that, but I just feel like I'm being cheated, With my YouTube channel, I have been very consistent, very dedicated at that, but I'm just not seeing the results of my YouTube channel. I feel like ever since February of this year, my YouTube channel has been on the back burner, and everybody else has moved forward. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong, or what is it that somebody has a hold on my channel, and I work so hard. I lose followers, I gain one or two, I lose about 5, gain one or two, and I just feel like it's unfair. I don't know. And my channel is not explicit content. It's not the drama gossip site. It's just about me being open, being mindful, being spiritual, and trying to bring something different from this channel. And me trying to bring motivation videos, a lot of people say they don't like, and I'm saying, why not? I'm trying to put into this AI, because everybody's doing the AI, and I'm just trying to figure out what everyone likes on this channel, and it's hard. Nobody's don't want to participate. Everyone can say, well, your YouTube channel, you can collaborate with people. I have did that. A lot of people lied to my face. And I just feel like I can't succeed because I have tried so hard and so much on this channel. And YouTube, it was just like a journal for me to open up. And because I deal so much in my business life work that I do not really care for, because it's not what I want to do. Yes, I love to help people, but I don't like the negative of it. And then I have personal life, coming home, trying to figure things out, and it's not working at all. And dating doesn't work out. Trying to make friends doesn't work out for me, and I just don't know. I don't know what to say or do for this channel anymore. I have been very consistent, and I'm trying to balance in all my life, like my work life, my YouTube, personal life. It's very hard, and I'm just tired of people saying it's gonna be okay. It's hard, and how can you say that? You all not trying to support me. You all not trying to share my content. I post on social media 24/7. I have Instagram stories. I have TikTok, YouTube. I post on my community tab trying to spread, and I have threads as well, and it's nothing at all. And I come here just to tell you guys that I don't know what I can do anymore on this channel. I try to switch up the dynamics, doing reactions to videos. I'm trying not to do so much makeup because a lot of people, I don't know, they don't really take in consistent of my makeup anymore. So I'm just trying to see what do everyone want to see me do? Because I am known for my lip combos on this channel, and that what has helped me get up so far into my subscribers, my viewers. And I just feel stuck. I don't know what can I do. I do the best I can each and every day. But it just hurts me now because I feel like I have been wasting time. I have been stuck at 11,000 subscribers for 3 months. 3 months. And I post consistently. I post 5 shorts every day. I post full content every day. I trying to go live as much as I can, and it hurts me to see that I'm not being appreciative enough and I'm not getting feedback. It just hurts me a lot. And I'm trying to balance all three, and it hurts really bad, and I feel overwhelmed. I feel depressed, overwhelmed, and tired, and I feel unworthy, and I feel like I don't have a support system. And I do the best I can. I do have supportive people that do, acknowledge me. But I'm just saying, out of 11,000 subscribers, a lot of people can't help me. Instagram, 8,000 of you guys can't help me. But y'all be on everybody else's page, but except for mine's. Wow. TikTok, I have 1,000 some people on there. Everybody just want to look but not help. What's the point of you looking? You don't want to help because you want to steal my video ideas and you can get credit for them. And that was bothers me a lot. But it's a hard thing to do. But I did want to say that I know consistency, having faith, and hard work is really dedicated to all three aspects of my life of work, YouTube, and personal life. And they all consist of work. And I am putting out everything that I can, and I just don't know what to do from here. So I thank you guys for listening, and I wanted to put this out there because whoever is going through the same thing can relate, and just trying to find fulfillment and peace in something that I feel cherished and that I love very much. And I'm being very authentic and open with you all. I don't have nothing written down. This is how I am expressing myself. Eye contact, and I'm just letting you guys know that it's a struggle of having to work a job, create a YouTube channel, and then try to have a personal life. But I thank you guys for watching and me expressing myself. And thank you guys so much. And I promise to see you guys later.